I woke up this morning with a text from a friend that said it is foggy outside. Of course, I grabbed my camera and I'm on my way downtown to take some photos of the fog. The fog is not as thick as I was hoping, but I think with this blue hour, it's going to create some pretty cool photos. This could be kind of cool if I could get a car, the line of a car streaking here, and the silhouette of a figure over there. Okay, somebody's coming over there. Okay. Need some more cars. Come on. Or is this composition better? Car streaking by. Silhouette of a person. Let's keep going. There's got to be something here.
I was hoping to get some cars driving in the far lane and get some streaks of red lights to contrast the blue.
I'm going to keep going. I don't know if I got anything there. So right now I'm shooting with the Tamron 17-28 2.8. I brought a different lens, but I don't know if I'm going to switch to that lens just quite yet. I wasn't 100% sure what I would be shooting. This is pretty spur of the moment idea. Right here I like this pocket of light, this warm patch. I think it'd be kind of cool if I could get a car streaking past there. Like maybe some red lights, some motion blur. How are those looking? Maybe.
This isn't exactly what I was going for. I was hoping to get some streaks that went across the entire frame, but without shooting on a tripod, this is what it is.
I hope I got that yellow taxi.
I've been trying to train my eye to take photos of details on walks like this. Maybe not the strongest photo, and I actually forgot to take more detail shots after this.
These sculptures are pretty cool. You have to have a pretty wide lens to capture them. I never have found like an angle that I'm super happy with capturing these with. I did bring a wider angle, a 10-18 crop lens. Let's give that guy a try. So we've got some pretty crazy vignetting on this, but it's definitely wider. Yeah, that looks pretty cool actually. Let's see if we can get a wider shot of all of these. Maybe. It's a little distorted. So this is the downtown corporate area, and these are all the office buildings that people work in, and I was really hoping this would be really busy with people. You would think at 8 in the morning people would be hustling to work. That looks impossibly tall. My fingers are getting pretty cold. Haven't been out here for that long yet, and the lights come up quite a bit. It's also not as busy as I was hoping for. This road that I'm on now is a main artery for people walking from a different part of downtown over here, so I'm hoping that this is going to be a little bit busier. Maybe I can find some interesting characters. I like how this building over here lines up in between these two buildings. That's the vibe I'm going for. Really blue and eerie. Ooh, this guy looks pretty cool.
programmed C2 on my Sony to be silent shutter, so I actually turned that on so this dude couldn't hear that I was taking photos of him.
I had the wrong lens on for that shot. I gotta switch to something a little tighter. There's some blue sky peeking through over there. I'm not sure how many more photos I can get in this moody light. Man, such a cool building, but no cars are going to be driving by here, and these orange road signs just do not fit the vibe of this beautiful building. I think we're going to have to come back another day to shoot this building. Wow, construction everywhere. Holy smokes.
While shooting this, I noticed this really ugly blue bus sign in front, and I didn't really feel comfortable moving it, especially while the bus driver was watching. I was attracted to the red vehicles in front of this blue background and was hoping to get some motion blur. There was just so much traffic, and these vehicles were not moving very quickly, so unfortunately I wasn't getting the exact shot that I was looking for. But that's how this goes. You can go in with a set of shots and ideal images that you would like, but the likelihood of you getting them is pretty low.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more area, and depending on what we get there, that might be it. I see a red train is coming, and these buildings look really blue. So I'm gonna try and get a long exposure image of these in the same frame. I think I'm gonna try and get the same thing with this bus that's gonna pass, except I think I'm gonna track the bus with a slow shutter. I'm not that happy with that shot. So the screen over here says that there's going to be another train in 3 minutes. So I'll wait a couple minutes. We'll give this one more try. Okay, here comes the train. Oh, green light. Calling it quits right there. My hands are cold and I could use a coffee. If you made it this far in the video, comment Fog Squad to let me know that you made it all the way to the end. We'll see you in the next one.